Hello everyone, my name is Manjit Singh and I'm a legal intern at Lexis and Company. I'm a third year LLB student of Lord Law College. Today I'll be discussing about the news that farmer protest seeking redressal through judicial forum or parliamentary debate, not by blocking roads, says Supreme Court. The Supreme Court on Thursday heard a plea seeking direction to clear the roads blocked due to the farmer protest and said redressal can be through judicial forum or parliamentary debate, not by blocking roads. The bench led by Justice Sanjay Krishna Kaul reiterated its previous contention that the solution lies in the hands of the center and the concerned state government, and that the road should not be blocked by any reason whatsoever. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta informed the court that the agitating farmer refused to join meetings conducted by the high-level committee formed pursuant to orders of the court. The SG further requested the court to implead them as parties in the present matter. The court said the petitioner may not be aware who is representing the farmer as a leader. If you feel that someone is to be made a party, you will have to make a request, the bench told the SG. SG means Solicitor General. The court then adjourned the matter till October 4. The state of Haryana also informed that it has constituted a four-member committee under the leadership of IAS Rajiv Arora, Additional Chief Secretary, Haryana Home Department, to hold the discussion with the farmers organization to resolve the issue of blockage of inner state roads and the national highway to avoid any inconvenience to the general public. The affidavit come to as a response to the writ petition filed by a woman resident of Noida seeking direction to ensure that the road between the Noida and Delhi is kept clear so that the passenger from one place to another is not affected. The petitioner stated that she is in a marketing job and her work requires her to travel from her home in Noida to Delhi. She further alleged that her travel to Delhi is taking 2 hours instead of normal 20 minutes. The woman expressed that she is a single parent and also suffering from some medical issues. She contended that despite the various directions passed by the Supreme Court to keep the to and fro passes clear the roads, the same still doesn't not happen. The court was previously informed by the state of Uttar Pradesh that continuation efforts were being made to remove the blockage. Farmers were being explained to remove the allegedly imposed barriers at the protest site, but most of the rights present at the protest sites are allegedly. Thank you. This was all about the news. Now please like, subscribe and comment on my videos as well as on my channels. Do comment your questions on the comment box. Do comment your questions on the comment box if you have any question with regards to this video or with regards to my previous video. And then lastly, this video doesn't solicit any kinds of promotion as per the guidelines issued by the Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.